What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're going to discuss on the trade that I took this morning on USD CHF. All right, so what I was looking for on this particular pair, I was looking at it actually last night, sometime around Asian session. I would say around 9 p.m. Eastern time or so. I usually don't take trades during that time, but the setup was so easy and so clear that I at least had to start scaling into the position itself. So I'll show you guys exactly what I was looking for and what stood out to me in this particular trade. So let's go to the 4-hour real quick. Yes, I'll delete this here. All right, so here we notice that we consistently be making higher lows. We have a higher high here, higher low, and right here we had a market shift, right? This whole area out. And I told myself, all right, if we close anywhere in here above this area here, I'm gonna look for longs. And the reason why I wanted to look for longs is because we have all this consolidation up here, and that tells me we have a lot of liquidity that needs to be taken out. Now, once I had that level identified, I went over to my 1 hour, and this is what I was looking at last night, somewhere around here. We were wicking right to it. We weren't closing below this area here. And all this here, I just saw as a target that we could potentially take out. It was all right here, I believe is what. Yep. Let me just put this black here so you guys can see it. So that was the target area that I was looking for. So I started scaling in somewhere around here. As soon as we spiked up, I decided to take profits, go to bed, and wake up in the morning and see where we stand. So once I woke up in the morning for New York session, we were actually at this level here. And this was telling me that we were actually holding this area. There was some type of support here. So what I did was I basically went and grabbed my rectangle tool again, and I went to a lower time frame. Now remember, I'm targeting these highs up here. So any signs of support down here, I'm gonna be willing to take the buy. Went up to my 15 minutes, and this is exactly what I saw here. I saw an old high being broken right here, and I basically waited for the retest of this level here. This was really good confluence. Old high turning into potential support. I took my entry here. I had my stop down here, I believe, and that was about, yep, a good 18 pips or so, with a target level of about, so my target price was 96.80, about 30 pips. So I took profits around 20 pips in. I left them running for the remaining 10 pips. And the only reason why I didn't leave this past the highs is because sometimes we fail to actually break the high, and then it comes back and retraces. But you can see exactly what happened here is we ran over these stops, and the pair just collapsed after that. So that's pretty much what I was looking for on the trade. I'm hoping that these type of videos really help you guys identify any type of potential patterns, any type of potential trades, targets. And again, if you guys want to be notified whenever we post a trade analysis, any type of videos, just make sure to hit that bell notification icon and subscribe to the channel, as we will be posting videos hopefully on a daily basis, definitely on a weekly basis. So with that being said, guys, make sure to stay indoors. I know this whole situation with the coronavirus is a little crazy right now, but the best thing you can do right now is invest in your future and learn how to trade. Learn how we do it. Learn how we make our income day in and day out. Yeah, don't have much more than that. See you guys in the next video.